Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for high-end home decor and interior design inspiration. Today, we are exploring 12 sophisticated ways to bring Scandi-Chic elegance into your home this Easter season. We have curated a collection that perfectly blends minimalist luxury with organic Nordic textures and calming neutral tones. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help us grow our design community. Transform your dining table by using tall, bleached birch branches arranged in a matte ceramic vase. This minimalist approach replaces traditional colorful florals with sculptural, organic silhouettes that feel modern and airy. You can hang delicate, hand-painted white eggs from the twigs using thin twine for a touch of whimsy. This setup serves as a stunning focal point, while maintaining a clean and sophisticated Nordic aesthetic. Elevate your Easter eggs by wrapping them in scraps of high-quality raw linen and securing them with jute string. These textured accents look beautiful nestled in a shallow wooden bowl or scattered across a moss-covered tray. Using natural fabrics instead of bright dyes aligns perfectly with the Scandi-Chic preference for tactile, earthy materials. This simple DIY project brings a sense of quiet luxury and handmade charm to your holiday display. Move away from kitschy figurines and opt for sleek, minimalist bunny sculptures crafted from smooth architectural concrete. These heavy, industrial-style pieces provide a wonderful contrast when placed alongside soft textures like wool or dried grass. Their neutral gray palette ensures they blend seamlessly into any modern interior without overwhelming the room's color scheme. These durable items are timeless enough to be used as year-round decor accents beyond the Easter holiday. A Scandi-Chic Easter wreath utilizes dried eucalyptus, pampas grass, and straw flowers in muted shades of beige and cream. Hang this organic masterpiece on your front door or above a fireplace to introduce a soft, natural texture to your space. The lack of vibrant greens or pinks creates a sophisticated, everlasting look that celebrates the transition from winter to spring. It provides a warm, tactile welcome that feels curated rather than cluttered. Create an intimate glow on your sideboard using delicate white ceramic vessels shaped like cracked eggshells. These votive holders look best when grouped in odd numbers and filled with simple white tea lights or soy wax. The flickering flame highlights the thin, translucent walls of the ceramic, creating a cozy and inviting hygge atmosphere. This concept merges the symbolism of the holiday with the minimalist beauty of Nordic craftsmanship. Replace the traditional pattern tablecloth with a heavy, off-white linen runner, adorned with patches of real green moss. This living table decoration brings the freshness of the Scandinavian outdoors directly into your dining room. Add a few smooth river stones and simple wooden candle holders to complete the earthy, grounded look. It creates a serene environment for a holiday meal that feels both luxurious and deeply connected to nature. Ditch the plastic for beautifully grained, hand-carved wooden eggs left in their natural state or finished with clear wax. These tactile objects are incredibly satisfying to hold and display, showcasing the raw beauty of timber patterns. Arrange them in a minimalist felt basket to emphasize the contrast between the hard wood and the soft fabric. They represent the Nordic appreciation for craftsmanship and the longevity of natural materials. Incorporate soft, white or cream feathers into your floral arrangements or nestle them within your table settings. Feathers add a light, airy quality that mimics the feeling of early spring and the awakening of nature. This subtle nod to traditional Easter imagery is executed with a sophisticated, monochromatic palette to keep the look elevated. It is a cost-effective way to add a layer of luxury and softness to your minimalist decor. Set your Easter table with heavy stoneware plates in matte shades of oatmeal, charcoal, or clay. The irregular, handcrafted edges of the pottery provide an organic feel that perfectly complements a Scandi-Chic theme. Avoid shiny glazes or intricate patterns to let the quality of the material and the food take center stage. This approach emphasizes the luxury aspect of minimalist design through high-quality, functional art. For a modern and eco-friendly decoration, use large paper honeycomb eggs in sophisticated shades of sand and terracotta. These geometric shapes add a contemporary architectural element to your space while remaining lightweight and easy to store. Hang them at varying heights in a window or from a light fixture to create a dynamic visual interest. They offer a playful yet refined alternative to traditional ornaments that fits the Nordic aesthetic perfectly. Create cozy vignettes using small nests handcrafted from gray or white sheep's wool felt. Place a single perfectly smooth stone egg inside each nest to emphasize the concept of less is more. These soft displays work beautifully on coffee tables or open shelving, adding a touch of warmth and texture to the room. They embody the minimalist luxury of using simple, high-quality materials to evoke a sense of peace. Utilize frosted glass jars filled with white tulips and wrapped in a single loop of thick twine for a clean look. The clouded glass softens the green stems, keeping the color palette restricted and the visual noise to a minimum. This arrangement is the epitome of Scandi-Chic, prioritizing light, glass, and natural greenery in a very controlled way. We hope these ideas inspire your home styling. If you enjoyed this, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.